We're right at the beginning in a new phase in the miniaturization of technology, which means that it's finally possible to make a powerful computer small enough to wear comfortably on your body all day long.
At Google I/O 2014, it was revealed that Android Wear would be coming out in July. They announced two watches, the LG G Watch, and the Samsung Gear Live, which was a version of their Gear platform. I was able to get the LG G Watch and give it a test. This one. It's amazing. There. It is basically made for notifications at this point. The platform is still very new. As of right now, it's mainly the Google apps. There's support for Maps, for Hangouts. There is general notification support for all apps that push notifications to a smartphone or an Android phone. There's no direct photo support other than Hangouts, which shows the photo behind the message that says you have a photo notification. There's no video support on it, as there's no external speaker, it's just a microphone. You can't actually use the device to talk with. When someone calls the phone, I get the notification through the Android Wear, so I have a choice of accepting, just refusing, or you can do quick messages like you can do on the phone app itself.
What do you want?
So if you have your calendar synced within, right now, only Google Calendar, when you have events, it will show a list inside the watch where you can swipe to see the card. You can expand and see the time. The Android Wear watch runs through Google Search, which is also run through Google Now. So the whole interface is very similar to Google Now if you ever use Google Now on Android or iOS. Any kind of search result really depends on how good the watch can recognize your voice, and sometimes it still has that issue of not understanding what you're saying. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Oh, now it gets it. When you search for things in Google Maps, it'll actually push the directions, the text directions to your Android Wear watch. So, here's a story. We missed the last metro, which is the subway system here in Barcelona, and we had to walk home about 2 kilometers. Got directions from a metro station straight to our apartment, and every time it wanted to turn or it decided it needed to notify me of like a slightly different direction, it would vibrate the wrist, and I look down and see an arrow and the name of the street. Google has a platform called Google Fit for their health. Depending on the version you have, they all have kind of different health features. The LG G Watch has a pedometer that shows how many steps you take, and you can specify how many steps your goal is for the day. Today I've walked 8,500 steps because it was past midnight last night when we had to walk home. If your device supports Bluetooth, low energy, there's actually no real drain that I expected to have on the phone or the device itself, because you're not going to be sitting there and playing like apps or games on your watch. You're really just getting information. The way Android Wear works is you're not really going to be that far away from your phone. So Android Wear in general, I think, has the potential to be something much more useful than just a watch that does notifications. I believe once developers can input their expanded usability of the platform, it'll be more of a tool for quick actions as opposed to just getting notifications.